I had equals.
Minulla oli.
Learn Finnish, had, fast, English Finnish. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to learn Finnish fast. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll nail the past form of to have in Finnish, with jokes, quick drills, and snack-sized tips. Buckle up, by the end you'll say it like a Finn. Your goal today. Your mission. Say every person of had in Finnish with confidence. I had equals.
Minulla oli.
You had, singular, equals.
Sinulla oli.
He had equals.
Hänellä oli.
She had equals.
Hänellä oli.
It had equals.
Sillä oli.
We had equals.
Meillä oli.
You had, plural, equals.
Teillä oli.
They had equals.
Heillä oli.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and steal these lines for your daily Finnish. A. At noon, I had a meeting. B. Nice. In Finnish you'd say.
Minulla oli.
Kokas keskipäivällä. A. Did you have the keys yesterday? B. Yes.
Sinulla oli.
Avame Island. A. He had a plan, she had the map. B.
Hänellä oli.
Suunnitelma, ja.
Hänellä oli.
Karta, teamwork. A. The robot? It had extra power. B.
Sillä oli.
Lisäverta, beep boop success. A. We had time but got distracted by pastries. B.
Meillä oli.
Aikaa, mutta pulla voitiin. Understandable. A. You had, plural, the best seats. B.
Teillä oli.
Parhaat paikat, VIP buns, VIP views. A. They had the tickets all along. B.
Heillä oli.
Liput koko ajan, classic plot twist. Call and repeat drills. Say it out loud, your mouth learns faster than your brain. Repeat. I had coffee.
Minulla oli.
Kavia. Repeat. You had time.
Sinulla oli.
Aikaa. Repeat. He had a bike.
Hänellä oli.
Pyora. Repeat. She had an idea.
Hänellä oli.
Idea. Repeat. It had a problem.
Sillä oli.
Ongelma. Repeat. We had fun.
Meillä oli.
Hauska. Repeat. You had, plural, tickets.
Teillä oli.
Liput. Repeat. They had enough money.
Heillä oli.
Tarpeeksi rahaa. Culture tip. Here's the secret sauce of Finnish possession. Finnish doesn't use a have verb like English, it literally says, on X was, is. So, I had, is.
Minulla oli.
On me was, and we had, is.
Meillä oli.
Keep the little word, oli, for past, and swap the person.
Sinulla oli. Hänellä oli. Sillä oli. Teillä oli. Heillä oli.
Quick quiz. Answer fast, no overthinking, just smiling. Q. How do you say, I had, in Finnish? A.
Minulla oli.
Q. Translate, you had, singular, the keys. A.
Sinulla oli.
Avame. Q. They had time, go. A.
Heillä oli.
Aikaa. Q. It had a leak. A.
Sillä oli.
Voto. Speed challenge. Lightning round, hit all 8 forms. Ready? I had.
Minulla oli.
You had, sing.
Sinulla oli.
He had.
Hänellä oli.
She had.
Hänellä oli.
It had.
Sillä oli.
We had.
Meillä oli.
You had, plural.
Teillä oli.
They had.
Heillä oli.
Bonus line to flex. by 5 o'clock, I had everything ready. Quote.
Kello 5 mennessä minulla oli.
Kaikki valmiina. Wrap up. You crushed it, high five through the headphones. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Minulla oli, sinulla oli, hänellä oli, sillä oli, meillä oli, teillä oli,
And
heillä oli.
in your own sentences. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Naden.